In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Bankwest account Australia. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what information to have ready so your application is smooth and secure. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Bankwest. From the results, select the official Bankwest website. You can confirm you're on the right page by checking the address bar for the bank's official domain and a secure padlock icon. On the homepage, look for the section dedicated to bank accounts. Next, head to the bank accounts area. This is where you can explore the options and find your fit. Take a moment to read through the features, fees, and benefits to make sure the account matches how you plan to use it. You'll typically see choices like a no-fee everyday bank account, ideal for daily spending, or an offset account, which is designed to sit alongside a home loan to help reduce interest. Choose the option that best suits your situation. When you're ready, click Open Now. You'll be taken to the application form where you'll enter your personal details. Fill in your full name, date of birth, residential address, and contact information carefully. Make sure everything matches your official documents to avoid delays in verification. You'll then be prompted to verify your identity by uploading ID documents. Common options include an Australian driver's license or a passport. Ensure your photos or scans are clear, all edges are visible, and the details are legible. The name and date of birth on your ID should match the information you entered earlier. Add your mobile number and email address for security verification. These are used to send one-time codes or important updates, so double check they're correct and that you can access both during the application. If an initial deposit is required for your chosen account, you can set that up at this stage. Enter the amount as instructed and follow the on-screen prompts. Requirements can vary by account type, so review the information presented before proceeding. Before you submit, review everything carefully, confirm your details, read any terms and conditions, and then click Submit Application. Once sent, keep an eye on your email inbox for confirmation. You'll receive updates about the status of your application and, once approved, your new Bankwest account details. For an even faster setup and streamlined ID verification, you can also apply using the Bankwest app. It's a convenient option if you prefer to complete everything on your phone.